Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting for you, a full 30-tip glow-up challenge that will help you not just look amazing, but also feel confident and healthy from the inside out. These tips are realistic, easy to follow, and honestly, so much fun. I'll explain exactly how and why each one works, so you can start glowing today. Let's dive in. Glow-up tips. Part 1. Skincare and face care. 1 morning face wash. Start your day by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes the oils and impurities that build up overnight, leaving your skin fresh and awake. Even if you're sleepy, a 1-minute wash can make a huge difference. 2. Exfoliate 2x a week. Using a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant helps remove dead skin cells. This not only makes your skin look brighter, but also helps makeup go on smoother. Don't overdo it though. Once or twice a week is perfect. 3. Moisturize daily. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Even if your skin is oily, choose a lightweight moisturizer. This keeps your skin soft, prevents dryness, and gives a natural glow. 4. Sunscreen. Every morning, UV rays are everywhere, even inside your room. Applying sunscreen daily prevents dark spots, wrinkles, and skin damage. Think of it as protecting your glow for the future. 5. Face masks. Treat your skin once or twice a week with masks like honey and cinnamon. Honey is antibacterial, and cinnamon boosts circulation, giving your face a natural, healthy glow. 6. Drink water. Hydration is key for glowing skin. Aim for at least 2 liters a day. Water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump and smooth. 7. Cut down sugar. Too much sugar can lead to breakouts and inflammation. Try replacing soda and candy with fruit or herbal tea. It helps your skin look clearer. 8. Use eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate. Using a hydrating eye cream helps reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines, making you look more awake. 9. Remove makeup before bed. Sleeping with makeup clogs your pores, which leads to breakouts and dull skin. Make this a non-negotiable habit for a real glow-up. 10. Ice your face. Gently rubbing ice cubes on your face can reduce swelling and tighten pores. It also boosts circulation, giving your skin an instant brightness. 11. Vitamin C serum. Apply a vitamin C serum in the morning. It brightens dark spots, evens skin tone, and adds a healthy radiance to your face. 12. Night cream. Your skin repairs itself at night. A nourishing night cream helps regenerate cells, reduce fine lines, and maintain hydration while you sleep. Glow-up tips. Part 2. Hair care and styling. 13. Trim regularly. Split ends. Make hair look unhealthy. Trimming every 6 to 8 weeks keeps your hair strong, shiny, and fresh. 14. Shampoo and condition. Correctly. Avoid washing hair every day. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and a nourishing conditioner to prevent dryness and breakage. 15. Hair masks. Weekly. Natural masks like avocado or coconut oil restore shine and moisture, making hair soft and manageable. 16. Switch pillowcases. Silk pillowcases reduce friction and prevent hair breakage frizz. And bedhead. 17. Heat protection. Always use a heat protectant before styling. It prevents damage and keeps your hair healthy for the long term. 18. Experiment with styles. Trying new hairstyles can boost confidence. Even simple braids or waves can make you feel fresh and stylish. Glow-up tips. Part 3. Fitness and body. 19. Daily walk or light exercise. Even 20 minutes of walking increases blood flow, boosts mood, and helps maintain a healthy weight. 20. Stretching in the morning. Stretching wakes up your body, improves flexibility, and prevents stiffness. It also improves posture, which instantly makes you look taller and more confident. 21. Posture check. Standing tall not only improves your physical appearance, but also your mental confidence. Good posture makes a big difference in how people perceive you. 22. Healthy meals. Eat balanced meals with protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. Good nutrition fuels your body, improves skin, and keeps energy levels high. 23. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks bloat your body and cause energy crashes. Replace them with water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices. 24. Strength training. Incorporating weights or resistance training tones muscles, improves metabolism, and shapes your body over time. Glow-up tips. Part 4. Mental and confidence. 25. Positive affirmations. Repeat things like "I am confident and capable" daily. Positive self-talk boosts self-esteem and affects your actions. 26. Declutter your space. A clean and organized room reduces stress and creates a peaceful environment, helping your mind focus better. 27. Dress nicely. Every day, even casual outfits can make you feel put together. Clothes affect mood and self-confidence more than you realize. 28. Learn a new skill. Learning something new challenges your brain, boosts confidence, and makes you feel accomplished. 29. Social media detox. Spend less time comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own progress and growth instead of scrolling endlessly. 30. Smile more. Smiling releases endorphins, making you look approachable, confident, and naturally glowing. People are drawn to positive energy. Glow-up tips. Part 5 TikTok. Beauty Tips 31. Lip Plumping Hack. Use a clean spoon to gently press lips from the outside in. It temporarily increases circulation and makes lips look fuller. Quick and safe. 32. Under Eye Brightening Trick. Mix a tiny bit of concealer with a highlighter and gently dab under your eyes for that wide-awake look instantly. 33. DIY Nose Contour. Use a matte bronzer along the sides of your nose and blend well. TikTok shows how small tweaks can define your features naturally. 34. Quick Hair Volume Hack. Flip your head upside down. Spray dry shampoo at roots and tousle. TikTok loves this for instant bouncy hair. 35. Heatless Curls Trick. Wrap damp hair around a headband overnight. Wake up to natural curls without damage. Super viral on TikTok. 36. Glow Serum Mix. Mix a few drops of facial oil with your moisturizer to get a dewy, camera-ready TikTok glow. 37. DIY Teeth Whitening Hack. Baking soda plus hydrogen peroxide paste applied gently once a week can brighten your smile. Be careful, don't overdo. 38. Eyebrow Lifting Hack. Use a clear brow gel and gently push hairs upward. Instantly opens your eyes and gives a polished look. 39. Puffiness Reducing Hack. Chill a spoon or jade roller in the fridge and roll under your eyes. This TikTok favorite reduces morning puffiness fast. 40. Fake Freckles Hack. Use a brown eyeliner or brow pencil to dot tiny freckles across your nose and cheeks. Blend slightly for a natural, sun-kissed look. 41. DIY Face Mist. Mix rose water with a few drops of glycerin. Spray during the day for instant hydration and refreshed skin. 42. Quick Blush Trick. Dab cream blush on your cheekbones and blend upwards. TikTok shows this gives a natural, youthful flush instantly. 43. Nail Care Hack. Rub cuticle oil daily. Healthy cuticles make nails look polished even without polish. 44. Heatless Straight Hair Hack. Wrap damp hair in a silk scarf overnight. Wake up to smooth, frizz-free hair. 45. Quick Eyeliner Hack. Use tape or a spoon edge as a guide for a perfect wing every time. 46. DIY Lip Scrub. Mix sugar plus honey and gently exfoliate lips. Soft, plump lips instantly make your smile prettier. 47. Face Yoga Hack. Simple facial exercises like cheek lifts and jaw stretches reduce tension and improve circulation for a natural lift. 48. Contour with Bronzer. Apply bronzer on cheek hollows, jawline, and temples. Blend well for natural shadow and definition. 49. Teeth Shine Hack. Rinse with water after coffee or tea. Simple but keeps teeth whiter. 50. Hair Shine Hack. Apply a few drops of argan or coconut oil on the ends to instantly make hair look glossy. 51. DIY Eye Brightener. Dab a tiny bit of highlighter or concealer on inner corners of eyes to appear more awake. 52. Quick Fake Tan Hack. Apply bronzer lightly on high points of the face for a sun-kissed look without tanning. 53. Overnight Mask Hack. Use a sleeping mask 1 to 2 times a week to wake up with glowing, moisturized skin.